you guys, so this is gonna be my first cooking with Ashley Michelle segment on my channel. I'm just gonna be showing you guys like what type of healthy, I guess you could say, alternatives and ideas that I try to come up with in the kitchen, just so that way I can enjoy the foods that I already like eating but find a healthy alternative. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. So today in the kitchen we are making stir-fry, chicken stir-fry, or chicken teriyaki, whatever you want to call it. So I did pick up some brown rice. I was going to do white rice, but trying to keep it as healthy as possible. So I picked up some brown rice. I did pick up two sauces. I picked up some reduced soy sauce, and this soy sauce only contains 500 milligrams of sodium. And then I picked up some teriyaki sauce, and this one only contains 380 milligrams of sodium. So in total, both of these sauces together have 880. I am going to be cooking this meal with olive oil. I have stopped using butter when cooking. So I have an onion, red pepper, some sliced up mushrooms, green pepper. Of course, I have my eggs to make it fried rice, and I have some chicken breast tenderloins that I'm going to be using as my meat. And I am going to be cooking this on the stove, but I am going to go ahead and cook my rice first. So let's get started, you guys. I'm just going to follow the directions on the box because I have never made fried rice before, and I normally get the bag and bowl rice, but I didn't want to do that this time. So it just says I'm gonna go for 2 servings, so I just need 1 cup of water and 1 cup of rice. So I am just gonna grab some water from the sink in my little measuring cup, and this is the 1 cup measuring cup. OMG, I'm so scared because it smells like it's freaking burning, but it's nothing up there. Like, I promise, it's nothing up there. It's just that hot. Y'all, let's pray my wig don't catch on fire because I ain't got time. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add in the water to the back pot. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna turn this down because I ain't got time to get burned up in here. I'm gonna turn this down real quick. Okay, 1 cup of water in there, and I'm gonna add in my rice. Now this box says long grain. I don't know what that means. Like, is it a different, like, is the rice bigger? Like, somebody let me know in the comments, what does long grain rice mean? Okay, so I'm just gonna pour that in there. Oops. So as y'all can see, got 1 cup of rice. Just gonna add that into the pot, just like that. Go ahead and cut up my chicken tenderloins. So I'm just gonna cut the chicken in small pieces. Now I'm gonna move on to my green pepper. I went on ahead and rinsed this off in the sink. Next, I'm going in with my red bell pepper. This is how all of our ingredients are looking. And I am going to cook the chicken separate, season it up. Well, I'm seasoning everything. I seasons my food, so that's one thing I do know how to do. I do know how to season. Some of the onions got mixed up with my chicken. Go in with some garlic powder, little bit of Cajun seasoning, start with the fried rice. I'm just gonna take the brown rice and pour it into the pan. Or should I do the vegetables first? I feel like I should do the vegetables first and then add this. Nah, I'm gonna do the rice first because I got to take it back out. And literally, all I'm gonna do is take 2 eggs and I'm gonna crack them in there and cook them with the rice. I don't know if I need another egg. Okay. Just rinse my pan out so that way I can get cracking with the olive oil. And I'm just gonna add my vegetables in. Alright y'all, so I just went on ahead and put some broccoli in the saucepan. And I already went on ahead and added my chicken, rice, and vegetables together. So this is what everything is looking like. And I'm just gonna add in the broccoli and add in my sauces. They want 1 tablespoon, flawless. Side down. I'm gonna probably do 2 tablespoons of each and see what that's looking like. So this is the teriyaki sauce. And that didn't look like it did anything, but try to be healthy. So I'm gonna put another tablespoon of teriyaki sauce. And I'll probably do just 1 tablespoon of soy sauce just because I like soy sauce, but I don't like soy sauce. Alright y'all, so I'm just gonna be drinking some water with this, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all how it tastes because literally my first time making this. It smells good. Hey guys, so I had to give myself 2 claps, 2 snaps, and a circle on that because yes, it definitely tastes healthier. Like, it tastes healthier. And it's not dry. Like, I thought it was gonna be dry because I only put 4 tablespoons of sauce all together. But, I mean, the food is moist. It doesn't taste dry at all. Yeah, it's tasting good. That second bite, that's the truth right there. But, that's all I got for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Please leave the whole recipe down below in the description box. And y'all know what to do. Turn your post notifications on, subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and also don't forget to share. And if you are sharing this video on other platforms, don't forget to tag me. I definitely want to connect with you all outside of YouTube. So definitely don't forget to tag your girl, and y'all know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin', and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.